are you ready for today's adventure? Let's jump into the world of healthy habits. Today is day 78 of our manners journey. Today we are learning about cleaning teeth properly versus rushing brushing. Gather around as our heroes, Leo and Mia, explore this crucial health lesson in a fun way. One sunny morning, Leo, the cheerful boy, and Mia, his smart sister, met at the breakfast table. Mia was excitedly munching on her sugary cereal, while Leo hurriedly gobbled up his toast. Hurry, Mia! We need to brush our teeth before heading to the park, Leo exclaimed, dashing towards the bathroom. As they entered the bathroom, Mia grabbed her toothbrush and toothpaste. She said, Leo, we shouldn't rush. Let's take our time to do it right. But Leo struggled, saying, I'll do it fast. It's just brushing teeth. As they entered the bathroom, Mia grabbed her toothbrush and toothpaste. Leo squeezed too much toothpaste on his brush, while Mia carefully applied just a pea-sized amount. Leo started brushing quickly. Look, Mia, I am done, he shouted. But Mia frowned, looking at her brother. Mia explained, rushing brushing means we might miss spot on our teeth. Let's see what happens. They both looked in the mirror. First, Mia gently brushed in circles, making sure to reach every tooth. Meanwhile, Leo continued to rush, swiping hardly across his teeth. After brushing, they took a good look. Mia's teeth sparkled, while Leo's were still a bit dull with leftover food particles. See, when you rush, you might not clean your teeth completely. Leo nodded, puzzled but curious about the difference. Then Leo asked, what happens if we don't clean teeth properly? Mia thought for a moment and shared stories from school. She explained how one friend named Jack didn't brush well and he ended up with a cavity. Jack had to visit the dentist and the experience was not fun at all. Leo's eyes widened. Oh no, I don't want that to happen to me. Mia smiled, happy to see her brother realize the importance of cleaning properly. Exactly, and when we rush, we might forget to brush the back teeth where food gets stuck. As their adventure continued, Leo noticed that Mia was humming a little song while brushing. What's that? He asked. Oh, it's brushing song. It helps me to remember to clean my teeth for 2 minutes. Leo laughed. Well, I want to sing too. So they both sang while cleaning their teeth, making it a fun activity. After brushing, Mia rinsed her mouth and noticed how fresh it felt. Leo, however, still felt a bit off. What's wrong, Leo? She asked. I feel like I have missed some teeth, he admitted. Mia replied, that's why we need to take our time. Rushing means you might not get that clean feeling. The siblings then decided to play a little game to understand the difference better. They took 2 paper plates, one labeled proper cleaning and the other rushing. They drew on the plates. Mia drew shiny teeth on first plate, while Leo scribbled hurried marks on the second. They counted to see whose plate looked cleaner and brighter. Okay, Leo, ready? They held their plates up. Mia cheered, seeing her plate looked much better. Leo laughed, realizing the importance of cleaning teeth properly. All right, I get it now. I will never rush brushing again. After their fun activity, Mia explained, cleaning teeth properly gives us fresh breath and helps keep our teeth healthy. Rushing means we risk cavities and bad breath. Leo nodded in understanding. They both promised to remind each other to take their time when brushing in the future. As they finished their adventure, they imagined how their shiny smiles would impress their friends at the park. At the end of their busy morning, they were ready to head out. Leo turned to Mia and said, thanks for teaching me the right way. Mia smiled back, anytime, and remember friends, clean your teeth properly. And as they left, they waved at the camera, sharing their lesson with everyone watching. Bye bye for now. See you in the next healthy habit story and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, Manner Magic Kid.